So here we are in the kitchen sink, and I've got some ribs. These were frozen solid last night. Kept them in the crisper all night. They were on sale. Instead of 11, they were 5 something. Instead of 11, they were 5 something. So this is $10 worth of ribs. Slightly frozen still. I ran a little hot water over them, and we're about to open them up. Also on sale, the barbecue sauce was buy one get one free. We're about to use the barbecue sauce and the 2 ribs. And if you've not seen the Instapot yet, we're going to be using an Instapot. Quick and easy ribs. Quick, easy, and delicious ribs. So here is my Instapot. I'm going to plug it in. This is the bowl that goes inside the Instapot. I'm going to drop in 2 cups of water. And we're going to put as many ribs in there as will fit. I've also got barbecue sauce. I'm going to do 2 cups of barbecue sauce. Put that in and whisk it around. And for the pot, I'm going to go ahead and turn it on saute. It will start heating up the barbecue sauce and water. I'm going to start dropping the ribs in. I'm going to cut the ribs up to fit in the pot. So for the first step, we're going to open up these ribs and get that membrane off the back. Now when I opened the pot up, there were a couple of black-eyed peas in the rim. These were dry black-eyed peas cooked in the Instapot. They were cooked about 30 minutes, and they were tender like they had been cooked overnight in a crock pot. These ribs, we're going to put them on for about 20 minutes. So these ribs were $1.99 a pound, and they were about 10 bucks. So that's about 5 pounds of ribs. I don't know if they're all going to fit in here. I do think they're all going to fit in here. They are in. So there's a little bit of barbecue sauce left in the measuring cup. I'll just dump it up top. And you can see and hear it's starting to get warm in the pot. Okay, the leftover barbecue sauce is on top of the ribs. The water's starting to boil. I'm going to now put the lid on top. Make sure the vent is sealed. Now we need to set the timer. Okay, from saute, I'm going to go to meat stew, 25 minutes. I'll put mine on for 20 minutes. And that's all we do. Well, we wait 20 minutes. A few seconds later, the pot tells me it's on. If we look up at the clock, it is 12:52. About 1:30, these things should be coming out. So it took a few minutes to build up pressure, but now we have 16 minutes left. Here's the pressure check. Yeah, he has pressure. And the 130 we were shooting for 130, we'll make it 140. Then we'll have some cool down time. Then we're going to pop them in the oven, broil them for a few minutes with some barbecue sauce. So maybe 2 o'clock on the plate. Okay, so the meat's been done for 8 minutes. I've been letting it just sit here and soak. We're about to release the steam. Once the steam's out, we'll pop the lid open, see what that meat looks like. 147. And now the steam has been released. We're going to pop the lid open. And there's our ribs. Sorry about the fog. Now if we pan over to the clock a little bit, it is 150. We're going to throw these in the oven on broil. You can look in and see the bones, the meat shrunk back from the bones. These babies are done. I'm going to pull them out, put them in a casserole dish, put a little more barbecue sauce, broil them, then it's time to eat. Now the trick is going to be getting these ribs out without them falling apart. I'll give it a good shot. And now I'll add some barbecue sauce. I might go ahead and go to bottle number 2, put a little extra on. Can you have too much barbecue sauce? And I got the little paintbrush. And we're going to pop this down in the oven for just a few minutes. And then dinner time. And I'm going to do a potato to go with my ribs. Ribs are done.